Good morning, everyone. My name is Zefanya Immanuel from Social 4. Today, I'm going to tell you about explanation text, how tidal currents happens. In this group, there is Aditya Rizky option number 1. He is a moderator in this group. And there's Amirull Febriansyah, option 5, as a presenter. There's Gunawan Wibisono, option number 17, as a Canva editor. And myself, Zefanya Immanuel, option 36, as a host. So, Aditya Rizky, as a moderator, let the presentation begin.
Okay, thank you, Zefanya. First of all, I'm gonna tell you about this presentation. This presentation is about how tidal currents happens. Wibi, can you tell me where you get this article and tell us more about this presentation?
Okay, so I get this article about tidal currents is in Google Form. This link, British course, and I made this Canva to look like a simple presentation. So I hope this Canva can make you understand about tidal currents happen.
Okay, thank you, Wibi. Now, without any further, I let you, Amirull, to begin this presentation.
Okay, thank you. So, how tidal current happen? Tidal currents, as their name suggests, are generated by tides. Tides are essentially long, slow waves created by the gravitational pull of the moon, and to a lesser degree, the sun on the Earth's surface. Since the moon is so much closer to the Earth than the sun, its pulse has more influence on the tides. The moon's gravitational pull forces the ocean to bulge outwards on opposite sides of the Earth, which causes a rise in the water level in places that are aligned with the moon and a decrease in water levels other places. This rise in water level is accompanied by a horizontal movement of water called the tidal current. Although tides and tidal currents don't have much impact in the open oceans, they can create a rapid current of up to 15.5 miles or 25 kilometers per hour when they flow in and out of narrower areas like bays. Estuaries and harbors face tidal currents thus sediment or around and affects plant and animal life. Currents also may transfer a fish egg from an estuary out into the open sea or carry nutrients that the fish needs from the sea into the estuary. When the tide is rising and the flow of the current is directed toward the shore, the tidal current is called the flood current. When the tide is receding and the current is directed back out to sea, it is called the ebb current. Because the relative positions of the moon, sun and earth change at a known rate, tidal currents are predictable.
Okay, thank you for listening to our presentation. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. Thank you.